Hello, it's time for dad jokes. Knock, knock. Who's there? Tank. Tank who? You're welcome for all these wonderful dad jokes that are about to come your way. All right, what do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear. What do you call a can opener that doesn't work? A can't opener. Alrighty, and for my last joke for the day, what kind of gum does James Bond like to chew? 007. All right, y'all. Keep on laughing and smiling. Share those jokes with me at pariso@fultonschools.org. Until then.